Hey guys, happy Halloween. Hope everyone had a great week. So if anyone's been watching the streams, you know that I've been using VS Code with GitHub Copilot, and VS Code is $10 a month. If you have usage outside of that base cost, they'll do metered usage billing. And so far, VS Code has been good for me, but I've been hearing so much chatter about Cursor, I decided to try out Cursor 2.0. So Cursor has an AI-powered IDE, which is a fork from VS Code, but they've really accelerated the AI tooling and functionality and made it really native to the IDE. So they just released Cursor 2.0. It comes with this new work tree support, new expanded cloud agents functionality. We have some UI changes and a new house model called Composer One. Um, so so this is the new UI. So with agentic coding, you don't need to be looking at the actual code as much as you have had to in the past. So now you can open up the tool, and we have the agents view, which gives us the chat view. You might be used to this more traditional view, the editor, where you would have chat open on the right hand side, and then your file system on the left, terminal below, and your editor in the top middle component. But now we have this new agents component here, which I really actually think is great. So right now I'm just gonna start a job, and I'm gonna say I want you to run git status and see if our tree is clean. Okay, great. So our working tree is clean. Now what we're going to do is I want to make some styling changes to our login screen on our website. So I'm going to use this new browser feature, which can actually browse the web for you. And I'm going to say, I want you to go to getparty.ai and check out the logging page. We want to make some styling changes. Give me your thoughts. So boom, it's opening up the website. It's going to the login page, and right from here it captured a screenshot and it's giving me some suggestion. So so this is great. So this is the new browser functionality. So okay, now we know it gives us some advice on making some changes to the browser. But now what I want to do is, I like these potential changes, but maybe we want to compare the output of a few different models. So now I can come to a new agent. I'm going to go to Worktree. We're going to select a couple different models here. So we got Composer 1, Sonnet 4.5, and GPT-5. And what this is going to do is it's going to create some branches for you, have multiple models start working on the same problem, and you can review the output and decide what you want to keep in or remove. So here I'm going to say, I'm going to use the browser functionality. Oh, well, we learned something, guys. So browser functionality is not available, I guess, when you're on the work tree feature. But let's go ahead and have this work tree start working, go ahead and initiate this new work tree feature. So I'm going to say, I want you to review the login page styling and give us some suggestions to improve it. So here you can see we actually have Sonnet 4.5, GPT-5, and Composer 1 working on this. So you can see Composer 1's already kind of ahead of the pack here. And now I'm going to come back to our other chat, and I'm going to say, um, can you check out the main page on our website and see if there's any possible improvements? After you do this, I want you to go ahead and make the changes to the login page, and then give me your suggestions on the main web page. And let's make sure we give this browser functionality. The website is located at getparty.ai. So boom, it navigated to the website. I have that open somewhere. There we go. So you can see Chrome is being controlled by the automated test software. I just heard a notification bell that my other chat is done also. So boom, I believe so. Oh, well, it looks like GPT-5 is still working. Very close to done. Composer 1 is done. Sonnet 4.5 looks like it's done. Let's go back and check Composer 1. So these are two different agents running in parallel right now. And one of the agents has a few different branches and actually using a few different models, right? So here it looks like we are done. So let's see here. So Composer 1, let's go ahead and review this. Cool. We can review Sonnet 4.5, GPT-5. So Sonnet 4.5 looks like they didn't make any changes, and neither did GPT-5 in this case, but Composer 1 did, which is interesting. Also, I have my terminal view. If we want to pop open the terminal, get status, I can see which pages we just changed. And if we want to open a PR, we can actually do it right from here. So say, okay, I reviewed these changes. I'm ready to push them or create the PR. I can hit create PR and it will actually open up that PR for me. So really cool. And I wanted to make this just a nice, and we can also, as always, switch back to our editor view and start using it in the editor view. So overall, been really impressed with Cursor. Guys, I'm live streaming actually, vibe coding using all different types of AI tools. So if anyone's interested in vibe coding and wants to learn more about AI technology, you can join the stream. Thanks again. This has been my thoughts on Cursor 2.0.